Oh no, these guys are about to be stuck too. Like there's nothing even behind us. Alrighty guys, we're up here on the north end and I guess this guy's driving his friend's vehicle maybe and thought it was 4x4 and it does not appear to be 4x4, so we're gonna get him out of here.
Hey, John Jr.?
John Jr., yes sir.
How's it going?
Good, about yourself? What was your name? Bruce?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so not 4x4, right?
Yeah, I guess it's not.
Nope, it is not. Okay.
So, I mean, I guess if you get me up over this little hump right here, I think we'll be good because it just kind of bound down. You might even be able to drive it out. I don't know.
No. With it being front wheel drive, you're going to want to get up back on the ramp and get out of here.
Yeah, exactly. Not right. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, well, if I got you hooked up, instead of just pulling you 3 feet, I'll just pull you till you're on the concrete. That way we ain't got to worry about it. We'll just get a rope on it, and like I said, I'll just get you onto the concrete. That way we don't got to worry about it or anything.
I'm going to try to park right up in here.
Yeah, I was going to say, they got some parking there or across the street, too. So, fun spot. Of course, all right. We'll take care of you. Let me get hooked up.
To put in here with that.
I got it all.
All right, man.
Once I get it hooked up, all I'll have you do is get in there.
I don't want to have to tell my Marine friend I did this too.
You won't even be able to know, especially if you rinse it off. The only way you'd be able to tell is the sand.
Yeah, there you go.
The back seat. Yeah, we started to. Thought if we were... Oh, gosh. If we were going to be doing it, we might as well film it, right? Exactly. And for insurance purposes, too. We were already getting some film.
Yeah, well, everybody's sue happy now.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I was in business 37 years.
There you go.
And thank God I, did the right thing.
Yeah.
Paid liability insurance for all those years and probably had to be $100,000 and never put a claim in one.
We're in the same boat.
But you need it.
But you got to do it the right way, right?
Right, or you're not going to... You won't be able to even...
Exactly. All right, so I'll just have you in there.
You want me to put it in neutral?
In reverse, but just barely any gas. That way it's not dead weight. I'm going to do almost all the work, though. Just that way I'm not pulling you.
Gas, you want it to be running.
Running, yep, in reverse. And you can just give it a tiny bit of gas. Yeah. I almost want it to just kind of help rotate the tire so it's not just sitting there dead weight, you know? Right, and we'll just take it, yep, super easy. Turn a little bit driver's side.
When you get straight, I don't have to do anything, right?
Yeah, well, we'll come around the ramp, but once we get straight on the ramp, you'll just be, nice and easy until I'll make sure your tires are on the concrete. Hold on. You need to turn off traction control. Next to the auto start off, the little dude with the squiggly lines says off. Yep, hold that. Click it should be fine. All right, now put it in reverse. Okay, give it a little bit of gas. There we go. Good. There we go. That went nicely once we got the traction control off.
Stuff like... Yeah, so probably it would have had better traction if I'd taken that stupid
Yeah, but you do got to be careful because if you turn it off, it'll just let it spin. So if you're not careful, it'll get it deeper.
Basically, I'm thinking myself.
Yeah. Give me a proper one. There you go. All right, buddy.
Okay, we'll see.
Make sure you rinse it off. Have a good one, all right?
I will do that.
See ya. Yep. Oh. There we go, guys. Got him up out of there. See ya. Ba, 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 ba. Alrighty, guys, we're rolling up on a Chrysler down here. Was she speeding through here?
Better make them pay. I'm telling you, they were freaking speeding, and the old lady was walking across, and she was like doing this to try sideways.
Oh no, these guys are about to be stuck too.
Well,
that was
we'll help these guys.
You're too funny.
Screaming, slow down.
I'll see ya. Thanks for calling. Alrighty, guys, we're rolling up on this Chrysler 200 here. See what we got to do to get it out of here. Hi, ma'am. How you doing?
Good.
What was your name?
Sue.
Sue. John. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
All right. Let me take a look at it and we'll see what we got to do to get it out. Okay.
Okay.
For some reason, I thought only the Chrysler minivans were the front-wheel drive Chrysler.
I know. I thought it was going to be rear-wheel drive too. Turn the wheel all the way this way for me, as far as you can. Is that as far as it'll go right now? Yeah, I'll probably dig it out, go to the control arms. I mean, yeah, but we got to go to like.
Yeah.
Or no. Actually, if I pull it out, I think I dig out the front a little bit. I can get actually. Yeah, dig out the front. I think if we just pull you down onto the hard sand here, we can turn you around and we can try and get you back out this way. Otherwise, I'd have to tow you down. The next ramp's further than that one is. We're still closest to that one.
You think it will be okay?
Well, I mean, either way, I can still pull you out, so it's not the end of the world. But we'll just tow you to the next one. That way we ain't got to worry about it.
What do you want to do?
Well, that way, you know, if I'm pulling you to concrete, so you can't get stuck again. You know what I mean? All right, so let me work on getting it hooked up, and we'll pull you on down to the next ramp, okay? I'll give you some instructions before we go. Okay. All right, turn that wheel more this way now. It should turn easier.
Oh, to the right?
Yeah, to the left, towards me. As hard as you can. I think they got out. I can't tell if they got stuck again, though.
Yeah, they definitely got out for a little bit. They made it farther.
Yeah. All right, as far as you can the other way.
That's pretty cool. How did you get it?
Oh, we got the long soft shackles so I can reach down around the control arm, and then I just hook it back up and it all kind of loops into the bridle system. It's definitely pretty cool. It makes my life a lot easier. All right, so now you can go ahead and straighten that wheel out right about there. So you're just going to be like my caboose. So I just want you to give me a little bit of gas and drive and just follow where I go, but we want to leave some tension on the line, and we're going to take it all the way down, and then we'll turn up the ramp nice and easy. Make sure we leave a little bit of tension on it, okay? Yep. All right, here we go. Like there's nothing even behind us. All right, guys, we're going to take this Chrysler to the next ramp. We'll see you there. The ramp, like I was saying, you got to leave tension on the line when we come through here, because if you run it over, it's not good, okay? So you got to slow down and you got to let there be tension on the line. Yeah, that's what I was saying. No, I do. Because otherwise you can run over the line, you see what I mean? But if the tension's there, you can't run over the line. You're good. So just kind of let me pull you and just help a little bit, and we'll bring it up onto the concrete, okay? Nice and easy. I got caught on the rubber, that's what was happening. Go ahead, turn it all the way this way for me. All the way the other way. Bro, what is happening?
Oh, I stopped it.
Oh, okay, cool. Bro, that tripped me out. I was like, oh my gosh, what is it doing? So did I, oh.
You restarted it.
By hitting it with the rope?
Yeah.
Holy cow. All right. You said you're doing cash?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, of course. You have a great day, okay?
Thanks.
Of course. There you go, guys. We got her up out of there. Peace.
God, Santo, they're best. Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.